Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed CodePen into Notion. This is incredibly useful if you're a developer documenting your work, building a portfolio, or simply want to showcase live interactive code examples directly within your Notion workspace. First, open Notion and select the workspace where you want to embed the CodePen. Once you're in, navigate to the specific Notion page where you'd like the embed to appear. If you don't have a suitable page yet, go ahead and create a new one. This gives you a clean canvas to work with. Now open a new browser tab and head over to codepen.io. Log into your CodePen account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your CodePen dashboard. From here, open the pen you want to embed. If you're feeling creative, you can also create a new pen right now. The key thing here is to have the pen ready and accessible. Next, copy the URL of your CodePen pen directly from the browser's address bar. This URL is what Notion will use to pull in your live code example, so make sure you've copied the entire link correctly. Return to your Notion page. Click inside the page exactly where you want the CodePen embed to appear. This ensures that Notion knows where to place the block. Now, type a / to open the block menu. This menu is your gateway to all of Notion's embed options and content blocks. In the block menu, type CodePen or scroll through the options until you find the CodePen Embed option under the Embed section. Click on it to activate the Embed dialog. A pop-up will appear asking you to provide the Embed URL. Paste the copied CodePen URL into the Embed URL text box that appears in the pop-up. Once you've pasted it, click the Embed Link button. Notion will process the URL and pull in your CodePen pen directly into the page. Now run the CodePen to make sure it's displaying correctly. If the embedded block doesn't show your full pen clearly, you can resize it by dragging its corners or sides. This ensures that your code, preview, and any interactive elements are fully visible and functional. Your CodePen is now embedded and interactive within your Notion page, ready to use and display live code. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.